Hello there, warm welcome to Mia's Yummy World. Wherever you're watching from, I hope you're safe and happy and having a good day. Today's video is a super duper easy chicken recipe that you can make in few minutes with a handful of ingredients. I can assure you once you make it, you will love it and will make it again and again as it's that simple, super easy and really tasty. Start by warming oil in a large wok. Add half a cup of oil or just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. To this, add 3 medium onions finely chopped. Saute the onions until soft and golden and take care not to burn the onions. Once the onions are soft and cooked like this, add 3 to 5 teaspoons of coriander powder. This is the only spice we use in this dish. If you like the flavor of coriander powder, add 5 teaspoons, but if you're not so fond of it, just use 3 teaspoons. Cook the coriander powder for about a minute on low flame. To the pan, now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have ginger garlic paste, just add 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic and another tablespoon of finely minced ginger. Saute this for a minute until it's fully cooked. The next ingredient we need is a green chili slit lengthwise. If you don't mind the heat, add a few more green chilies, but I'm cooking this also for the kids, so keeping the spice level really low. And yes, of course, I'll remove the chilies before serving this to the kids. Now it's time to add the star ingredient. That's 800 grams of boneless chicken breast cut to small cubes like this. Gently toss together all the ingredients so everything is well combined. Add enough salt to taste and combine well. And once all the ingredients are well combined, cover the pan until the chicken is fully cooked. Do remember to give a little stir in between and keep the flame between low and medium. As always, if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please remember to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon as I post quick, delicious and easy recipe videos every week. If you have seen this channel before, thank you so much for coming back and for all your support so far. Back to our video. As you can see, the chicken is now fully cooked. It's no longer pink, it is now soft and very well cooked. It's time to add the second star ingredient of the recipe, which is some lovely nutritious spinach to the pan. You can use fresh or frozen spinach, thinly sliced. I have used frozen spinach and it will blend into the dish in a few seconds with the heat. Stir well to combine, and finally it's time to add the third and last ingredient of this wonderful dish, which is 340 grams of soft cheese. I have used Philadelphia, but please use whichever brand you prefer. Turn the heat to low and gently mix in the soft cheese. If you do not like the taste of soft cheese, you can always add about 250 to 300 ml of thick double cream. It will still taste really delicious and creamy. Combine everything very well and cook for further 5 minutes on low flame. After that, turn off the heat and leave the dish to stand for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. After 5 minutes, our delicious, nutritious, creamy, cheesy chicken dish is ready. This is perfect with pasta, rice, naan breads, boiled veg, salad, or just on its own in a bowl. Enjoy it just the way you like it. I prefer it with some warm boiled brown rice as it's so perfect, really filling, totally, utterly delicious and satisfying. Won't you agree too? Hope you have loved this quick and easy recipe. If so, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks ever so much for watching. See you soon with another easy recipe. Until then, take care and bye for now.